the Jya Fjord Air Purifier. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will look at the Jya Fjord Air Purifier. This air purifier is versatile and can remove many of the pollutants and chemicals in the air you breathe. I will go over specs, features, show it in use, and then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you're new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. The air purifier came in a decent sized box and is packaged very well. Inside it comes with a user guide and the power adapter. This uses a HEPA 13 filter with an activated carbon layer and UV sterilization, multiple air quality sensors, app integration, LED display, quiet mode at 18 decibels, and can remove pollen, pet dander, bacteria, viruses, odors, and household chemical fumes. It can cover a room of 31 square meters up to 54 square meters in size, has a clean air delivery rate of 450 cubic meters per hour, and total volatile organic compound rate of 150 cubic meters per hour. App integration as mentioned, along with a touchscreen display, and it can integrate with Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit. Laser particle, gas, and environmental sensor. It weighs in at 6.5 kilograms and has a dimension of 290 by 260 by 535 millimeters, and a rated power of 48 watts. Taking a look at the front, you have the touchscreen display, air inlets, and the fan grill on the top. On each side, you have the release button. On the back, you have the power button, gas sensor, temp and humidity sensor, and the power port on the bottom. Pressing the buttons on each side, you can remove the top part and you have access to the filter. The top has a motor and fan along with the laser particle sensor. Removing the filter is easy. Just pull it out from the lower housing. This has wheels so it's easy to move around, and turning it on is fast. Just press the power button and you'll see the display light up. Looking at the display and swiping right, you'll get the temperature and humidity. The main screen shows the particulate matter. Swiping to the left, you get the mode options, filter life along with the reset, the brightness settings, Wi-Fi reset, and the UV setting. The mode screen will allow you to put it in auto, sleep, max power, and the favorite setting for coverage area. The app is intuitive and easy to use. Once you're connected, you can see the air quality on the top. Tapping on the icons, you can see the history of your air quality broken down daily, weekly, and monthly. The bottom has the temperature and humidity. Swiping up, you can see the filter life, toggle display brightness, create a custom schedule or timer, disable the UV light, or disable the sound. You can also toggle the power and various mode settings as mentioned earlier. The manual mode setting is where you can adjust the coverage, and this saves as a favorite in the mode option. Here is extreme, sleep, and auto modes. The upper right gear, you can change the name of your device and connect it to Apple HomeKit. And on the main app screen, it has some general settings and you can also update the firmware. Here you can see the fan on the highest setting just to give you an idea of the airflow, and the decibel reading for the highest setting as well. The air purifier doesn't take up much space with its space-saving design. The setup was easy and it connected fast to my network. App is easy to use as well and very intuitive. The LCD display is bright and it responded well to touch. During my testing, I had it placed in my living room. I was definitely able to notice the difference in air quality, and I like the particulate matter values on the front. This, in my opinion, is good in multiple spaces, whether it be in your bedroom, living room, or home office. The multiple sensors and filtration can give you peace of mind that the air you are breathing is safer and cleaner. So that is my review of the Jya Fjord Air Purifier. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.